W7 Beauty Blast Reloaded. There's 24 spectacular cosmetic treats in here apparently. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I have another unboxing for you, and it is another advent calendar, my last advent calendar of the year, and it is this. So this is the W7 Beauty Blast Reloaded calendar. We've got 24 doors in here and it just says 24 spectacular cosmetic treats. I hope so. Although I did get it for the bargain price of £19.95, you can't really go wrong. Works out at what, 83 pence, 84 pence per door, which is quite canny. So yeah, I got it off Amazon, and I will link it down below in the information box and the comment box if you want to treat yourself or a loved one. I have not looked to see what is in here. It did show you on Amazon, but again I didn't look. It's got a picture on the back there which I have resisted to look at. So I put on my community page a few weeks ago that I'd got some calendars and how would you want me to proceed with them. Would you like me to do just an unboxing? Would you like me to put everything on my face in order it comes out the calendar is a bit of a funny video, or would you like me to do an unboxing and then a sensible face? So if I get multiple of a product, choose one and put it on, and that was the one that was voted on. So today we are going to unbox it, see what is in here and what treats we have, and then in the morning when I get ready and do my makeup, we'll do the makeup try on and see if the makeup's any good. W7 is a nice little affordable brand, but yeah, for £20 I'm not expecting a great deal, but yeah, let's get to it and unbox it. Right, so now that I've brought you in closer, let's open door number one. Okay, so door number one, we have nothing. Just to show you, there is nothing there, meaning it's slipped down somewhere. Not a great start. Right, let's see if we've got anything in door number two. Right, so the product we have is this. It just says Too Fabulous, and let's have a look. Too Fabulous Abundance, and it is a lipstick. That is the shade we've got. It's a very vampy shade, isn't it? Oh, I like it. And there it is there. So it's not as dark as it looks on the bullet. But that is actually a really, really nice colour. Not normally a colour I go for, but I'm really actually quite liking it. Nice berry colour. Right, so let's find door number three. But crying out loud, there's nothing there. Look, it's going to drive me insane, guys. Right, so let's see if we've been blessed with something behind door number four. This is what we have. We have a lip pencil. Wow, that's pink. Oh, right, so it is dragging on the skin a bit. It doesn't feel very creamy at all. Very pretty colour though. There it is there. Not a colour I'd wear, to be totally honest. But yeah, I can appreciate it's pretty. Door number five. And we have this. So it is an illuminator, 5 mils. Right, so here we have it. The lid is full of product. I don't think that's supposed to be like that, but we'll just pop. Oh, a lot's just come out. Right, let's take some of that off. Wow, that's really pretty. That's smooth as well. Look at that. Oh, I'm really, really liking that. I hope it's not the same situation as we had in the last advent calendar, but that is goddamn gorgeous. Right. Door number 6. And we don't have a product again. Okay, let's try door number 7. Right, so we have another lip pencil, and it is darker, so I'm presuming to go with that darker lipstick. Is there a shade on this? Cherry Blast. Yeah, that is definitely to go with that lipstick here. Brilliant. Again, it's not the softest formulation ever. It did drag on the skin. We'll have to see what it's like. But again, pretty colour. Right, door number 8. And we have an eyeliner in Blackest Black. Oh, that's going to be awful on the eyes. But yes, it definitely is black. But again, it drags on the skin. It doesn't feel creamy. Right, door number 9. Wow, guys, I had to fight to get that out. We have this ridiculously small lip gloss. Seriously, seriously, I've seen small, but that's small. Can't see what shade it is in because that writing is so small. Oh god, that's so cute. Jesus. Oh, that's gonna last all of 5 minutes. Right, so there it is there. It is very lightly pink tinted type of thing, and it has some shimmers in there. I don't know if you can see that on your screen. Right, door number 10. Another illuminator. What? Again, it's practically spilling out. Let's put this one here. Oh, it's all coming out. Stay there. Right, so I've just popped that one there. Okay, it is a different colour. That's like a pinky tone. This is like a champagne-y nudie tone. Or maybe a bit darker. Again, it's gorgeous. Oh, really gorgeous. Right, door number 11. We have this. It doesn't say what it is. I think it's a pigment. High Shine Rose Gold. There it is. It's a little pigment. So we have a little pot like this. I'm not going to open it. I don't really use pigments, if I'm honest. So that is probably going to go in a future giveaway box. Right, box number 12. And we have another lip gloss. A teeny tiny one again. Again, I can't tell you the shade because the writing on that is so small. I just can't see it. Again, a little teeny tiny doe-foot, which is rather cute. This one is more pigmented than the other. So there it is there. Again, it's got little shimmers in it. I probably will get use out of the lip glosses. I really do enjoy a nice lip gloss. Bless me. But yeah, I just don't get the size. That's just so stupidly small. Right, door number 13. Ah, right, so we have another pigment. I'm actually really loving the colour of this. It's very cool tone, pinky colour. And it's High Shine Pink Sheen. That is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh, I don't use pigment. Should I try this one? Because I really love the colour. No, I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. Right, door number 14. Right, so I had to fight to get this. It wasn't where the door was. It was just pushed to the side. So I had to try and pick it out. I've made a right mess of this calendar. And this is a mascara. So hopefully it was worth the fight getting it out. It's stuck. Ooh. I think I like that brush. That's what it looks like. I really love this style of brush, but I'm not used to having this little extra sticky bit thing out there. I suppose that would be good for the bottom lashes. Oh, I like it. Right, door number 15, I think we're on. Right, so we have another lipstick. Again, it says Too Fabulous, and this is in the shade Pause. I think that says Pause. Oh my god, that's bright. That's like a corally orangey colour, but that is that there. I actually really like that. That's not a colour I normally go for. Ooh, I really do like that. Door number 16. Wow, I've really just destroyed that. Oops. We have a bubble, and it is a bubble where glitter comes off. Can you see that? It's a pretty bubble. It really is. It would be good for a kid. I could put it in my hair, but I don't want to because that glitter will end up everywhere. Right. Door number 17. And we have this. It is a candy blush in the shade Scandal. So there it is there. Nice pink blush. Packaging feels very cheap. So just swatch that there. Yeah, it's actually a really nice colour blush. Door number 18. And we have another lip liner. Another one in the shade Ruby Red. Pop that here. Oh, it's just so hard and scratchy. But I am liking that red colour. Very nice. Right, door number 19. We have a bowl. Okay. I mean, it's not bad actually. I actually really like the colour. I probably will wear that if I'm honest. I think it is really cute. It's very poorly put together. You can see there's like glue and a seam hanging out and stuff. It does feel a bit cheap because yeah, but I do like that. I've got tops this colour. I've got a pair of boots that are this colour. Right, door number 20. Another illuminator. This is if you have a very dark skin tone, because that's way too dark for me, unfortunately, unless I could try it as an eyeshadow topper or something. Door number 21. And we have another little mini lipstick. Again, it says Too Fabulous, and it's in the shade Sleek. Oh, a nude, a really nice nude. Nice, that's really nice. There it is there. That is a gorgeous shade. Right, number 22. We have another lipstick. What? Again, it says Too Fabulous, and it is in the shade Legacy. Oh wow, that's pink. There, that one is there. Very pretty, I must say, very pretty. This is the most creamiest one of them all, I must say. It is just glided on. Right, let's see what's in door number 23. Nothing. We have absolutely nothing in door 23. My favourite. Right, so we're on to the last door, door number 24. And we have some skincare. So this is watermelon wave with hyaluronic acid, watermelon extract and vitamin E, Hydra Glow Moisturiser. So there it is there. Feels nice. No, I'm not picking up much of a scent. I was expecting a nice watermelon kind of smell. If there is one, my nose is not picking it up. Day number 24 was a little bit disappointing. I mean, it's a bigger product, which is appreciated, but yeah. Right, so as you can see, I have destroyed this calendar. I am now going to well and truly bust it open to see what products are left in there, because we had some empty spots. Let's open it up. Right, so I had 4 products that were floating around in the calendar. So next we have this. We have tweezers. I think I was kind of expecting tweezers. I mean, they don't feel the best quality, but at least they've put the branding on, which is half scratched off. Oh my god. Yeah. I mean, I'll pop them in my drawer and test them out and see if they're any good. Next thing we have is this. It is Honolulu. I think it is a dupe of a Benefit product, if I do say so myself. Let's open it up. Yeah, it is a bronzer. So just take a little swatch of that. So there, that is there. Quite a nice colour. Hopefully not too dark for me. Packaging is quite nice. Again, feels really cheap. We have another bloody lip gloss. Again, I can't see the shade because the writing is so small. Again, a cute little dofer, but it's just so small. So there, that one is there. Very nice shade, I must admit. It's alright, I think. Again, it's got little shimmers in it, but I just think the size is a joke. And the last product we have is this. So this is Banana Dreams Loose Powder. So there it is. Just going to take a little bit there. Right, so we'll just put that here. And there it is there. So it's quite lightening. Yeah, I am going to powder with that and see how we go with that. Right guys, so this is the W7 Beauty Blast Reloaded Advent Calendar. What do you think? Right guys, so I'll just go through some quick thoughts I've got now, and then tomorrow we'll put the makeup on and do some final thoughts on how well I think it's performed. 4 lipsticks, first of all, 4. That's a large percentage of the calendar. We have 3 lip glosses. I mean, tiny, minute lip glosses. Why? Why couldn't they just give 1 lip gloss at a decent size, like a normal size? We have 3 lip liners. I mean, there's 4 lipsticks. Why 3 lip liners? I don't get it. So just on lips, we have 10 products, and that's just on lips. The calendar's only 24 doors, and 10 of them are to do with lips. So we have a couple of pigments. Again, I'm not going to use the pigments. I'm going to pop them in my giveaway drawer so they can be used in giveaway in the future. The banana powder, the setting powder, a blush and a bronzer I will be using tomorrow. I'm really actually excited to use them and see how they perform. The illuminators, I am obviously going to use one tomorrow, but why 3 illuminators? I just don't get it. Tweezers, I mean, obviously it's a filler item, but they feel cheap, but you kind of expect them to be there. It's just a given. The little bow, again, it feels cheap, but I like the colour, so you never know, I might actually use it. The bobble, no, because there's glitter coming off of it. It's like raining glitter from it. And I'm really chuffed you get a mascara in here too. So tomorrow when I come to do my makeup, we haven't got an eyeshadow palette, but we'll improvise. But yeah, I do like this calendar. I'm glad it was no more than £20. This calendar would be great for a young teenager just beginning to get into makeup. Right, but let's leave that there now. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning, put my face on, and we'll discuss final thoughts of this stuff that I've actually tried on. So yeah, let's get to that. I put my base on and now I'm putting the banana powder on. Yeah, just whacking it on there. I found it quite brightening. It was an okay powder to use, not the best. Now I'm going in with the blusher. I really, really like the colour of this blusher and I think it sits lovely on my makeup. Now I'm going in with the bronzer and oh my god, look how much I put on there. I'm just trying to blend it out in a minute. Yeah, now I'm on my nose, but yeah. I'm going back in with the bronzer and I'm putting it on my eyes because I didn't get any eyeshadow and I didn't want to use the shimmer because I want to give them away in a giveaway. So I'm putting it in my crease and under my eye, as you can see there. Oh, I'm just blending that out. I'm now going in with a blusher and I'm putting that on my eyelid just to give my eye a little bit more. So now I'm going in with the illuminator. I'm going in with the champagne colour one. I'm putting it on my cheekbones, my brow bones, my cupid bow, my chin. And I'm even, in a moment you'll be able to see, I'm going to pop it on my eyelids again just to give my eyelids a bit more. And when you start blending it in, the glitter starts to come out. We're now going in with the mascara. I've just filmed one eye there, but it's pretty useless if I'm honest. Now we're going in with that nudie colour lipstick, which feels really actually quite nice on the lips. I've put one of the lip glosses on and this is the finished look. Right, so this is the finished look. The lighting's not too great, I do apologise. I've added some of my own mascara because I have to run out. The highlighter I had high expectations for because the swatch was amazing. And it's really pretty. It's just very, very glittery. You can see bits of glitter there. I improvised with my eyes. I used the bronzer. I used a bit of the blusher. And then I put some of the highlighter on my eyes too. But yeah, overall, it's not bad. I mean, the mascara was pretty much useless. It just coated my eyes. Like I say, I've had to put my own mascara on because I'm literally going to run out the door. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's definitely a brilliant calendar for a teenager just getting into makeup. I found that I don't know if you can see, let me just pick you up. There it is there, the box. I found that the box was absolutely shocking to open. The perforated lines for where the doors were, it was just impossible. And then the inside of the calendar, I appreciate that all of it is recyclable, which is fantastic. But the inside of the calendar where things were just dropping through, I found that quite annoying. Overall, for the price of the calendar and that, it's okay. It's okay, especially for a child. But yeah, that concludes this video. I have to quickly run off. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.